Twilight Masquerade, a new Elite Trainer box, just came out, just released. There was a lot of pre-release video, but now I just finally got shipped off by Amazon. I got it on pre-order. It came out like actually pretty much a day early. Maybe not, but it kind of fell on a Sunday. So there's a set. Let's go straight into it. So we're looking at a lot of, looks like cards kind of came back. Some of them are new. There is a whole bunch new trainers. Look at that, a lot of them. But yeah, beautiful artwork. There's going to be a lot of chase card. I just hit that one. Pretty much the only one I got there is the masks. Super cool. Okay, looking for, oh, look at that Eevee. Looking for those the chase cards. Alright, would be one of them. That'll be second top hit. The gold one, this is like still really expensive. The cards are super expensive, but it will drop quite a bit. This one will be somewhere on top as well. But yeah, a big set, a lot of good ones. Look at that gold cards, the rescue board bringing back. That's cool. So we'll see what we get, and as soon as we get one, we're going to scan them on eBay every time, because the value will start dropping now that they have come out from the what do you call it, release. Let's see what kind of promo we get. Will it be like 8 packs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs. Nice. Damage counters inside this plastic container instead of plastic bag. Dividers, nice and shiny. Energy cards, cool. That is promo. What a beautiful promo. Wow, that is nice. Cool. Code card. And the sleeves. Very cool sleeves. Yeah, there you go. Let's rip through it, see what we get. More pickle. Reverse hollow. Chandelier. That's a funny Pokemon idea. Okay, keep going. See pull rate and everything. Oops. Snorlax, that's cool. That's some beautiful art. I like it. That one is very cool. Okay, keep going. 2 in. What is it? Whole bunch more to go. Let's see what we get. The value of this box is like what? $40. They go slow. Snorlax reverse. Ooh, Palafin EX. Beautiful. Just in the EX so far. Let's get some gold cards. I don't know. There's a bunch of them. Ooh, unfair stamp. That's cool. There it is. Kadabra. Very cool art. I'm enjoying this. I like this set. Like even like a regular common cards. Pretty cool. Sandcastle over here. Snorlax looking pretty nice too. There you go. All these are nice. I'm mixing my cards up. I tried to separate the reverse hollows and hollows from non-hollows. Okay, we're getting an avalanche, so let's fix it up a little bit. Okay, 3 more cards to go. We only got 2 hits. I don't think that unfair stamp is anything big hit. I mean, right now everything kind of expensive, but let's see what can we get in here. Can we get lucky? Lucky helmet over here. Ah, Screaming Tail EX. 2 EXs. That's not good. Those are probably much less valuable cards right there. Can we get some good full art? Come on, let's go. 2 more packs. And the last pack. And we'll see the pull rates on this. So far from 9 packs, we only got 3 hits. So no wonder people paying for the actual cards by itself. Even with the inflated prices, because ooh, Legacy Energy. Pretty cool. Alright, let's count some of them. See what they're worth. Probably not EXs, those are not gonna be much. What I'm curious is this new trainers. Unfair stamp. Okay, people asking a bunch right now what they actually sell for now that the set have came out. $19, $17. I better list it fast, because we saw in Temporal Forces they were selling for $20, $25, but then dropped down to $5. Like this one, for example, is not worth much. So we didn't hit anything, but it's fun. New set. There you go, guys. You have been informed. There you go. It used to sell for a lot more, but it have dropped quite a bit. And why not? Let's do EXs too. What do the people ask for those? Yeah, $2. That's why I thought they're not gonna be very expensive at all. Probably the promo is the best hit today. Yep, $5. I guess unfair stamping has some value, that's it.